Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Hope everyone is at good health. Summer is come and you find in the news that a running car on fire. You find many instances happening. This today we are talking on how it happens and why it happens and what precautions can be taken to see that your car is not set on fire. In summer, because of the heat, there are always chances of the fire getting happen because of the leakages or wire spark, a lot of other things. The main reasons are people buy a low-end model and they want to upgrade it to a high-end model. So they fix up all the accessories from upmarket and get it installed. When they are installing, it is done very carelessly with the wires and tapes on it. Instead, it should be plug and play. So where you don't have leakages or short circuit can happen and where there is chances of fire. And the other reason is when you are driving on highways, keep some intervals every 2 hours or 3 hours, take a break and see that the engine cools and you have safe drive. The other reason you also look at is people get for the car, the petrol car, they would like to get more mileage. So they fix up LPG kits or CNG kits from the upmarket and get it installed to get more mileage and save money, but they are not factory fitted. So there is always tapes and cuts and pieces fitted where there is always chances of leakage where the car gets fired when you are driving because of the leakages. Then when you are driving, the speedometer and heat meter, temperature meter in a car, people only look at the speedometer but not even look at the temperature meter. If the temperatures goes up more than what it's supposed to be, please make sure the car goes for the service checkup, that there is a problem in the radiator or coolant pump, etc. Because if the car gets overheated, there is always chances it affects the engine as well as it can cause fire. Every time when you go for service, especially in summer, make sure you check the tires pressure and see that the tire pressure is checked regularly, and as well as check the coolant and replace the coolant. These are the measures and precautions to be taken while driving in summer at high speeds. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.